Welcome to AIPlayCraft, and welcome to the beginning of 2026. Today, we are proud to present a remarkable child-created STEM project, a fully automated Redstone fireworks and music show inside Minecraft Education Edition, created by an 11-year-old child named Ivan. This is not a simple Minecraft build. It is a symphony, a powerful combination of creativity, engineering, coding, and imagination. Evan's 2026 Redstone Symphony represents exactly what AIPlayCraft stands for, empowering young learners to turn ideas into real, functioning creations through STEM, coding, and English communication. At just 11 years old, Evan set out to do something extraordinary. Instead of celebrating the new year with ordinary fireworks, he decided to design and program an automated show inside Minecraft. His vision included synchronized music and lighting, a glowing 2026 display, logical controlled fireworks, and a complete system powered by Python. This project was not only meant to entertain, but to demonstrate how code can bring a digital world to life. One of Evan's most important decisions was choosing Python to build the project. A redstone system of this size would normally require thousands of wires, hundreds of repeaters, and endless manual work. But Ivan understood something essential. Automation makes complex ideas possible. By using Python loops, functions, and coordinating base placement, he was able to build large, precise systems in seconds, systems that would take days to construct by hand. This shows not only technical skill, but real engineering thinking out to synchronize music, lights, and fireworks. Ivan designed Minecraft to behave like a machine. Because redstone signals weaken after 15 blocks, Ivan used Python to place repeaters exactly where they were needed, keeping the entire system stable and perfectly synchronized. This level of system design reflects an impressive understanding of digital logic for a student of his age. Minecraft is at the heart of Evan's engineering learning journey. Through this project, Minecraft becomes more than a game. It becomes a hands-on engineering lab. Evan built a large system of note blocks, redstone circuit, and control logic to explore how complex systems respond to input and timing as the program runs. The Minecraft world reacts in real time, demonstrating cause and effect. Low signals activate ground-level systems. Higher signals trigger visual responses across the structure. Multiple signals combine to form coordinated system behavior. This allows Ivan to observe how individual components work together as a complete system. The world itself becomes a model of an engineered system, reacting, processing, and responding according to programmed rules. This is engineering and programming learning through creation. At the center of the project stands a large 2026 structure, built as a practical exercise in computational thinking. Ivan designed the structure using a pixel grid based on zeros and 1s, where each value determined whether a redstone lamp would be placed. Python translated this abstract digital model into a physical structure inside Minecraft. Through this process, Ivan practiced breaking complex designs into simple, logical steps, a core engineering skill. The final stage of the project focuses on system control and logic design. Fireworks are triggered only when multiple conditions are met. Signal thresholds, timing cycles, and logic gates must align correctly. Nothing happens by chance. Every action follows a rule. This teaches fundamental concepts in programming, logic, automation, and system integration. By building this project, Ivan learned how engineering, coding, and problem-solving come together, using Minecraft as a powerful platform for real-world STEM learning. Through this project, Ivan learned lessons far beyond coding. He discovered that programming is a creative language, engineering is structured problem-solving, and persistence matters more than perfection. Most importantly, he learned that imagination becomes powerful when supported by the right tools and environment. AIPlayCraft is proud to support children like Ivan. Our learning philosophy is simple. Children learn best by creating. At AIPlayCraft, students explore STEM through real projects, express ideas confidently in English, experiment freely, and collaborate in a supportive community. Mistakes are encouraged, curiosity is celebrated, and creativity drives learning. Ivan's work is a powerful example of what young minds can achieve when given the freedom to explore. As we move into 2026, Ivan is already looking ahead, exploring artificial intelligence, developing educational Minecraft mods, and taking part in larger collaborative projects alongside other AIPlayCraft children. These future goals reflect not only technical ambition, but also a growing mindset of exploration, teamwork, and innovation at AIPlayCraft. We believe that children are not only the innovators of tomorrow, they are innovators today, because redstone signals weaken after 15 blocks. Ivan used Python to place repeaters exactly where they were needed, keeping the entire system stable and perfectly synchronized. This level of system design reflects an impressive understanding of digital logic for a student of his age. When children are given the right tools, the freedom to explore, and a supportive learning environment, they are capable of building ideas that inspire far beyond their age. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Evan's 2026 Redstone Symphony. This project is more than a Minecraft creation. It is a celebration of curiosity, creativity, and learning through building. It represents how engineering, coding, and imagination can come together to form meaningful learning experiences. On behalf of AIPlayCraft, we proudly congratulate Ivan on this outstanding achievement, and we look forward to seeing what he and all of our children will create next. As we begin a new year, we invite more families and children to join us in this journey of discovery, creativity, and innovation. Keep learning, keep imagining, keep building. Happy 2026 from all of us.